The Chinese egret, also known as yellow-billed egret, is a bird in the heron family of the stork order, also known as the snowy egret and the white heron. It is a medium-sized wading bird, with a body length of about 665 centimeters and a weight of around 320–650 grams. Both males and females are similar, with white feathers covering their slender, long bodies. In the summer, they have orange-yellow bills, blue eyes, black legs and feet with yellow toes, and long, fine white feathers on the top of their heads, backs, shoulders, and lower neck. In the winter, their iris turns yellow-brown, their bills become dark brown with a yellow base, and their legs and feet become yellow-green or blue-green. Young birds do not have the long decorative feathers, and their bills are brown with a yellow base, and their legs and eye skin are yellow-green. They are commonly found alone, in pairs, or in small groups. They are diurnal, active during the day while resting near coastal cliffs and intertidal zones at night. They have a light and steady gait as they walk along riverbanks, salt fields, or the edges of water fields while foraging. They also rest in coastal cliffs and intertidal zones. They are quiet, and when startled, they make low-pitched croaking sounds. Their diet consists mainly of small fish, as well as shrimp, crabs, tadpoles, shellfish, aquatic insects, and other small creatures. They are primarily found in coastal islands, soars, bays, estuaries, and the surrounding areas of rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, marshes, rice fields, and swamps. They are mainly distributed in East Asia and Southeast Asia, such as the Russian Far East, North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Myanmar, Thailand, Singapore, Vietnam, Indonesia, and the Philippines. They migrate between their breeding and wintering grounds every April and November. The Chinese egret is monogamous and mostly breeds from May to July. The adult male egret has its own territory, and after allowing the female to stay in its territory, they engage in silent staring, bill touching, wing flapping, chasing, and dancing, eventually forming a pair. They often nest in tree branches, at the base of shrubs, rocks, slopes, or on the ground. They have the habit of nesting in groups, using old nests, and nesting in mixed groups with other herons. They breed once a year, with some areas breeding twice a year, laying 2–5 pale blue eggs per clutch, with an incubation period of about 25–31 days. Both parents take turns incubating and caring for the young. The chicks fledge at about a month, and can leave the nest after 45 days to live independently. They reach sexual maturity at around 2–3 years old, and have a lifespan of about 7–10 years. Due to overdevelopment, habitat destruction, illegal hunting, and human activities, the Chinese egret's population and habitat have been severely reduced. According to statistics, there are only about 3,000–4,000 individuals left in the world, and it has been listed as an endangered species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature.